Hey guys, today I'm gonna make Mothichur Laddu. Watch the video until end, and if you like the recipe, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Ingredients required are besan, baking soda, orange food color, water, sugar, milk and cardamom powder. In a mixing bowl, add half cup of besan, add a pinch of baking soda. Mix baking soda and besan well. Now add water little by little and keep mixing well. Here I've almost used around half cup of water for half cup of besan. If you have hand mixer, then you can use it to remove lumps. If not, you can also use a spoon to remove lumps. To check the batter consistency, use a steel strainer. The batter should come out very easily. Add a pinch of orange food color. Give it a good mix. Now heat ghee in a vessel. Spread it all over the vessel so that the batter will not stick on the sides. Add 2 drops of batter and check if the ghee is hot enough. Add batter on the steel strainer. Keep moving it so that the boondies will not overlap. Mothichur Laddu will taste amazing if you use ghee for deep frying. It took around 2 to 3 minutes to prepare these boondies. Now take it on a plate. Do not put it on a kitchen towel. Now prepare boondies in batches using remaining batter. Boondi is now ready. Just crush the bigger pieces of boondies into small so that it is easy to make laddus. Now in a pan, add half cup of sugar. Add 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well on low flame until sugar dissolves. Once the sugar dissolves, add saffron and mix well. Once it comes to boil, add boondies and mix well with sugar syrup. Make sure to keep the flame low throughout the process. Cook for 8 minutes on low flame and keep mixing in between. After 4 minutes of cooking, add half tablespoon cardamom powder and mix it well. After 8 minutes, add 1/4 cup of milk and mix it well. Adding milk will help in making boondies soft, and it's gonna be easy to make laddus. Cook for another 3 minutes on low flame. Turn off the flame and allow it to cool. After 4 to 5 minutes, start making laddus before it is completely cooled. Apply little ghee to your hands if you feel it's dry. With this measurement, I was able to make around 17 small size laddus. Use some pista for garnishing. You can also add any dry fruits of your choice. Look how soft it is. Delicious Mothichur Laddu is now ready. Try the simple recipe at home and do comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.